In this section, we'll take a look at enhancements to string methods, regular expressions, and more. In this video, we'll take a look at String.prototype.trimStart and trimEnd. When working with strings, it often becomes necessary to remove extra white space that may appear either at the beginning of the string or at an end. ECMAScript provides 3 string methods to deal with this situation. The trim method removes white space from both ends of the string, which is ideal when you're accepting input for usernames and passwords, where extra white space may be a repercussion of accidentally hitting the spacebar or even autocomplete features of the browser. On the other hand, if you need to selectively remove white space from either the beginning or the end of a string, you have the trim left and the trim right functions. These two methods were originally required for browsers but were optional for all other implementations of ECMAScript. In an attempt to turn this feature into a standard in ES 2019, the committee decided to rename the methods to trimStart and trimEnd, with trim left and trim right serving as aliases to avoid breaking existing code. Using these two is exactly the same as trim left and trim right, as you can see here. There were 2 reasons why trim left and trim right were renamed to trimStart and trimEnd. First up, not every human language is read left to right. So the words left and right weren't the best to describe the portions of the string to trim. The second reason is that ECMAScript already offers the pad start and pad end methods that can be used to pad a string with a given character at the beginning or the end. Naturally, for consistency, it made more sense to name the methods trimStart and trimEnd. It is also important to note that not all browsers support these 2 methods at the time of recording this video. Node.js added support in version 10.0, and widespread availability is expected as soon as ES 2019 is published as a standard.